Have you ever been hungover, tired, just plain lazy, and you don't want to cook? Well, today I'm going to teach you a 1-minute recipe for instant noodles that will beat every instant noodle out there. So let's get into it. I'm abstaining from drinking. I don't drink anymore, but thank you very much for the offer. I'll just leave that right there. Thank you. Thank you very much. No. First thing we have to do, cut your onion and your garlic. Done. Now let's move on to the noodles. Do your noodles next. Okay, so what you need is 1 tablespoon of light soy, 1 tablespoon of dark soy, half a tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of malt vinegar, and then mix it together. So once you've mixed it together and your noodles are done, what you want to do is get your noodles, put them in your sauce, and mix them together, making sure it's all evenly coated. And once that's done, dish up. If you like a bit of spice like me, put your chilli oil in. And I highly recommend sunflower chilli oil for that heat and that flavour. So you've had a long night, you've had a long day, you're kind of drunk. Instant noodles, 1 minute, honestly, and it's worth it. So let's give it a go. Proper comfort food right there. Leave a comment down below if you're hungover, you're hungry. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Leave a comment down below if you like it. If you don't, then leave a comment saying you don't like it. See you guys next week, maybe? Probably? I don't know. I'm very inconsistent. Probably yes. I don't know. Bye. Done. Well, today I'm going to teach you a 1-minute noodle recipe that Sorry, the mic's on, yeah?